right.
Here we go again. Let's see if it'll work now. Dada. Extreme close-up. Extreme close-ups. Look at him standing up almost on his own. Oh. Now he is standing up on his own almost. You clean it? Yes, you cleaned yourself up on Daddy's jeans. Here, Bryce, what's this?
Put that in your mouth.
Okay.
It's spicy. Oh my god!
Oh no!
Oh my goodness!
You got it.
Whoa! Spicy. Woo!
But I like it.
Maybe we should give him Triscuits more often.
Oh!
Maybe we should get a different kind of Triscuit that's not hot.
A bland Triscuit?
Bland Triscuit. Regular salty Triscuits.
Oh.
Yummy? Oh my god, no, it's not. It's not yummy. Oh, he's feeling his ear fluid.
Oh, look at that slobber.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need some water?
Holy cow. I can't stop eating it though. Oh my god.
Oh, there's another cracker right here on Daddy's day. Oh,
You dropped it. Or you just broke it.
yeah, I broke it. Yeah. Going in circles.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, Mama. All right.
What is
Say
it?
goodbye.